how to make your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here you will find these 3 points and then click settings and then click account info, and here just go down until you find this one here visible to, click on it, and here you will find everyone, click on it, and then just click save and then okay. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.